Hey, what's up guys? Vivo here of YugaTech, and today we'll be checking out the new entry-level smartphone that will be hitting the market very soon, the Vivo Y16. Vivo announced just a few weeks ago that this new Y16 will be on sale in the Philippines very soon, expanding their smartphone lineup further. So without further ado, let's check out what the Vivo Y16 has to offer. Opening the box, the unit already comes with pre-installed screen protector from the factory. You'll be glad to know it also comes with a power adapter instead of just a USB cable. There's no factory gel though, but personally I don't mind. There are two variants available on the Vivo Y16. First is the 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage and 4GB RAM with 128 storage. The unit we have is the 64GB variant and is finished with this dazzling gold color. The color is nice too, and it stands out compared to other phones out there. However, the stellar black color does look great too. Even without a case, the Y16 feels nice to the touch and easy to hold. The back has a matte finish and is smudge resistant. Even while we're filming this video, we didn't leave fingerprints. At the bottom, you'll find USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack together with the microphone, and also the loudspeaker. On the right side, we have the volume rocker and the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner. No buttons on the left side, lending to a cleaner look. Instead, you'll find the dual nano SIM slot and SD card slot positioned at the top. In front, you'll be greeted with a 6.51-inch IPS LCD screen with 1600 by 720 resolution display. The colors are great out of the box without needing any adjustment with bright colors and deep blacks. As a result, this makes it more than adequate for watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. It can play games without problems too, no input lag or slowing down of the screen. One thing we like here, there's also Ultra Game Mode to further enhance gaming experience. At the back, you'll find a dual camera setup with 13-megapixel primary lens and 2-megapixel secondary camera. It takes photos well both in well-lit and low-light environments, and there are various modes to choose from. There's even an option specifically for taking photos of people, which is quite interesting. In front, there's a 5-megapixel camera for taking selfies. Do note that the quality does suffer when you zoom in, as with most phone cameras. The video is great too for those that likes to create TikTok or IG Reels. Of course, just have steady hands when shooting video since the in-body stabilization isn't the best. Powering the Vivo Y16 is a Helio P35 processor, an 8-core chipset introduced in late 2018, paired with 4GB of RAM. It runs on Vivo's FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12. There's also a big 5000 mAh battery with an 18W fast charger, meaning you can play games or watch videos for a long period of time. Don't worry, we'll talk about more the processor, battery in our full review, so stay tuned on that. Overall, the Vivo Y16 is a great entry-level phone for everything that it has to offer. You'll get a nice smooth display, a big battery, a great dual camera system, and even 4G. So, what do you think guys about the Vivo Y16 so far? Let us know in the comment section down below, and at the same time, don't forget to like this video if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at the same time. Also, like us on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and all our social media accounts. Once again, this is B-Boy, and thanks for watching.